Hi, my name's Alex. I'm 14 and I have ADHD.
What did you do to help with your ADHD?
I went to Healing Hearts Therapy Farm.
Can you explain what that is?
Basically, it was a farm where you got to work with different animals, such like I worked with horses, pigs, and bunnies to help with my ADHD.
What has going to a therapy farm helped you with?
My patience, knowing when to speak, and managing my anger.
How did working with the farm animals make you feel?
They made me feel welcome, calm too, and it just made me happy to see them. Take care of them. I used to brush them, cut their hair. I used to walk them, feed them, clean up the poop and everything, clean the stalls and everything.
Did you ever feel like the animals were not taken care of?
No, they were really taken care of a lot.
Was there any doctors there?
Yeah, they'd always check up on them twice a week, making sure that everything was all right with them.
Would you recommend animal therapy for anyone struggling with ADHD, anxiety, or depression?
Absolutely. It made me a better person, and I definitely recommend it to people that are struggling.